Conditional formatting is a great tool if you want to be able to apply a visual effect to data that meets a certain set of criteria. So, for example, on our test marks, we could colour the backgrounds of these cells green if students are doing really well, amber or yellow if they're doing fine, or red if they're not doing so well at all. Let's highlight the cells, and we go to the Home tab and Styles, and we choose Conditional Formatting. Then we go for the top option, Highlight Cell Rules, and we've got the option over to the right that says greater than, less than, between, equal, or there's an option for more rules. So we could choose one of the default ones they give us, or go to more rules, which will bring up this window. So we can edit the rule description, and I'm going to go to a cell value that is greater or equal to 75, and those students are doing really well. So I'm going to choose Format, and I'm going to fill the cell with green. Now I could, if I want to put a border on, I could change the font colour. I'm not going to in this case, but you can. And go OK, and OK. Now this has changed the colour of the cells of every student who's got 75 or over. We're going to do exactly the same, and we're going to apply a rule for any students who've got between 50 and 74. So again, Styles, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cell Rules, and we're going to go to More Rules, and we want cell value, and we're going to choose Between, and the between is, for us, 50 and 74. The reason I've chosen 74 is because the first rule said 75 or over. Go to the Format, choose the colour that you want to display. I think I'll go with amber colour, and OK, and OK. And then finally I'm going to put another rule on for anybody who's got below 50. So Styles, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cell Rules, down to the bottom, and More Rules. What do I want? Cell value, that is less than 50, or we could say less than or equal to 49. Either of those would work. And then what colour do we want the cells to be? Well, something that's going to flag attention. Red might be a little bit too bright, as we're not going to be able to see the colour of the font, so I think I'll go for a pinky colour. And OK, and OK. And then you can see at a glance which students are doing well, which students might be a cause for concern. Let's just check what happens if we change the value here. So at the moment we've got 34. If we make that 79, the colour of the cell should change to green, and you can see that it does. So the conditional formatting will look at the value in the cell and then apply the rules that you have set up.